Hi, this is Sangeeta. I'm a teacher by profession with an experience of 20 years. I'm happy to share my experiences and methods of teaching to the young mothers and smart kids on my channel Shine Bright. In this video, I would like to tell you how to make your child smart, active and confident. So keep watching this video till the end. The first step is teach them discipline and good manners. Make use of polite language while talking. Teach them to use polite words and sentences. Make use of 3 golden words, that is please, thank you, sorry. It is necessary to teach these good manners to kids to make them helpful and grateful individuals. We all know children learn by observing. So use these words in your daily conversations with your children, friends and family. Second tip is stories. Read stories for them, especially those with morals. Reading stories will help them in their imagination and morals will help them to increase their good values. Third tip is activity. Give them activities such as drawing, coloring, painting, craft and origami. It will enhance their creativity. Fourth tip is yoga. Yoga has both mental and physical benefits for children. It improves focus, memory, self-esteem and increases strength, flexibility and coordination. Do try these tips and comment down which of them were helpful to you. Also, I'll be uploading series on worksheets for different age group to practice at home. For all the updates, stay tuned and please like, share and subscribe my channel Shine Bright.